forewarn weather with exclusive cutting-edge technology to help keep you and your family safe.
Hot, hazy, a little humid, storm potential. Boy, does it feel like summer. Does it look like summer out there too? As we're taking a live look at Metro Airport, you can see that camera shaking and we have that filtered sunshine. Winds are picking up. Sustained winds over at Metro at 22 miles per hour and the gusts stronger than that. We sit at 84 at Metro. 80 in Pontiac, 82 in Grosse Ile, Port Huron 82, but that southerly wind as it picks up is pumping in the warmth from the south. Wind gusts from Ann Arbor towards Metro Airport right around 30 miles per hour. So today's winds will be hovering gust-wise around 30 miles per hour, probably through about 4 o'clock. Now, as we have a line of showers and storms that roll through, if we do get strong to severe storms to develop, now we could see gusts even stronger than that in pockets. But before we talk about the storm potential, let's talk about the here and now. The air quality not looking too great out there. We still have moderate levels of pollutants across a good chunk of lower Michigan, but even higher pollutants and particles in the northern part of lower Michigan and off towards Wisconsin, especially northwest of Milwaukee. So west of Lake Michigan, the air quality is worse, but still here, hopefully that rain and cold front will push some of that smoke out of here because we're still holding on to a really thick layer across southeastern Michigan from the Canadian wildfires. So here's a look at that cold front as it is inching oh so close to southeastern Michigan. In fact, now just clipping the tip of the thumb there, but it's right behind the front that the rain and that cloud cover has developed. And so no lightning at this time, but southeast Michigan remains under a marginal level 1 risk for severe weather. And that's because of the timing of that cold front getting us the peak heat of the day. Wind gusts could exceed 60 miles per hour in these storms, and we can't rule out hail or localized flooding because this is a slow-moving front. So if it's producing some heavy rain, that could lead to some isolated ponding and pooling and those usual suspects. Now, 2 p.m. to 9 p.m. is really the window where we could see these storms become strong to severe, but we're going to hold on to the rain beyond that. So I've stopped the clock at 3. Some showers are crossing the area, but now as we look at 5, maybe a pocket or two of a heavier downpour, but it's going to be about 6:30 that I think you start to see that heavier rain off on the far east side. Now rain will continue to fill in through the overnight, and I wouldn't even rule out a rumble of thunder as we get into the pre-dawn hours of your Thursday. However, by about 8 a.m. Thursday, now we're pushing that out of here. We even peel back those clouds going into Thursday afternoon. We've been looking at model data for Friday, and it has been ping-ponging back and forth whether we have rain or not. The bulk of the system should track south of here. So if you do have outdoor Friday plans, I want to point out this has changed from this morning where it looks like we're staying relatively dry. So I'm still going to keep a slight chance for some showers in our southern communities Friday, but by Friday evening especially, we all should be dry. We're taking the dry conditions in the weekend with seasonal upper 70s and a little bit of sunshine.